In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Hostinger hosting. Whether you're setting up your first website or looking to switch to a better hosting provider, Hostinger offers an array of options to suit different needs. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account by heading over to hPanel, which is the control panel you'll be using. It's your primary hub for managing everything related to your hosting. Once you're on hPanel, look for the Marketplace or Hosting section. Both will provide access to the various hosting services Hostinger offers. Now, here comes the fun part: choosing the right plan for your needs. Hostinger offers several types of hosting plans: web hosting, cloud hosting, and VPS hosting. Web hosting is ideal for beginners or smaller websites. Cloud hosting is great if you need more resources for a larger project, and VPS hosting provides maximum control with a virtual private server. Take a moment to consider what type of hosting best fits your current and possibly future needs. This part of the process is crucial because picking the right plan will ensure your site runs smoothly. You'll also need to select how long you'd like to commit to this plan. Often, choosing a longer duration can unlock discounts or better rates, so it's worth thinking ahead about your timeline. If you happen to have a coupon code, this is the chance to use it. As you select your plan, look for the option to enter any promo codes. A successful coupon could save you money, so it's worth checking if any are available before you finalize your choices. Once you've settled on a plan and any applicable discounts, you can proceed to payment. Hostinger offers multiple payment methods. You might have already stored a payment method in your account, but if not, you'll need to add a new one. The payment step is straightforward. Just follow the instructions provided on the screen to complete your transaction. After you've processed the payment successfully, you'll be directed to the My Services section. This is where you'll manage all the services linked to your Hostinger account. Now click on Setup next to the hosting package you've just purchased. This will take you through the configuration process to get your hosting service up and running. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through purchasing Hostinger hosting. By now, you should be well equipped to set up and manage your hosting services. Remember, if at any point you run into issues or need extra guidance, Hostinger's customer support is readily available to assist. Thanks for watching, and don't